Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics. In mathematics already 2 weeks we are learning chapter 9 more multiplication. In term 1 we have studied about understanding multiplication. Now this term more multiplication. Okay, before previous 2 weeks we are learning this one. I think you might learn all the tables thorough with tables, and previous week video exercise 9.1 I explained clearly. Now in this video page number 121 we are going to work out. See, more multiplication, chapter 9, more multiplication, chapter 9. See page number 121. In this page number, first we are going to learn the mental max. Mental max. In this, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here see, 3 cars have dash wheels. Multiplication means we used to have 2 numbers. Is here see, example given, 5 groups of 4 or 5 fours, like that it's given. But here only one number given, but mean by car. Car has how many wheels? Car has how many wheels? Car has how many wheels? Yes. Go to rough note. Take out your rough note. In this rough note, 3. Car. Okay. Car. Car has how many wheels? 4 wheels. That means 3 into 4. 3 fours are. You have to tell and see the 4th table or 3 table. You can use 3 tables or a 4th table. Shall we tell the 4th table or 3 table? 3 tables. 3 ones are 3. We'll see the tables and we'll practice. Here see. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. That means 3 fours are 12. Take and write it in the book, 12. Understand? Now here see, 5 hands have dash fingers. 5 hands, that means in one hand how many fingers? One hand how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 hands. Go to rough note, take your rough note. 5, then one hand, 5 fingers. That means 5 fives are. Now tell and see the tables, or you have written in the max note. Take that, and whenever you do full tables you have to tell and see. Here see 5 tables. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Now tell me, 5 fives are 25. Take and write it in the book. 5 fives are 25. Okay. Here see, 4 tricycles have dash wheels. Tricycles means this is, it's given in your book. See in this how many wheels are there? Tricycle means 3. Okay, 3 wheels. That means 4 threes are. 4 3s are. Already we learned, no? 3 4s are how much? 12. Next you see, 6 boys have dash years. You have how many years, children? 2 years. All are having 2 years. But 6 boys. 2 6 are 6 2s are. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 girls have dash noses. Noses. How many noses each we are having? 1 nose. That means 6 ones are 6. 6 noses. 6 girls have 6 noses. 3 signals have dash lights. Signal lights, how many lights are there? Signal light. Okay, red, yellow, green. That means how many? 3. Here see the question. 3 signals have dash lights. That means 3 signals. 3 signal as 3 lights. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now come to here. Order in multiplication. Order in multiplication. By seeing this example itself, you might understand how to do this one. Okay. In first term itself, I think we have studied this one. Here see. 2 4s. How come 2 4s? Here in one branch and 2 branches. In one branch, how many birds? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That is 2 branches, and in each branch 4. Other 2 4s. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Same thing. 4 2s are. This is multiplication facts. 2 4s are 2. Here in rough note I will write and show you. See here. 2 4s are 4 2s are. Both the answer is 8. Both the answer. If you put 2 first and next to 4, same answer. First to 4 and next to 2, the same answer. Okay, 4 branches. Each branch 2 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Understand? This shows what it shows. 2 into 4 or 4 into 2. Multiplication facts. 2 types of facts. Understand? I'll do this one, and next I'm going to make you to do. In Zoom class I'll check this page, children. 3 5s are 3 bowls. Each bowls, how many balls are there? 5 balls. That means 3 5s are. We have to count each. Here 5 bowls, and each bowls 3 balls. Understand? That means you have to count how many balls are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are same answer, 15. This shows 2 multiplication facts, right? 3 into 5, 5 into 3. Understand? Can we do this one? Yes, I'll check this one in the Zoom class. I want everyone to do this. Do you all remember this, children? We have done this one in the first term. Exercise 9.2. Draw arrow, fill the circle. Okay. Here 5 4s. 5 times we have to draw the lines. Okay. 5 4s are how many we are going to see. See, 1 2 3 4 it ends. Now again count. 1 2 3 4. From here to here arrow bring. Then next count. 1 2 3 4. How many times? 5 times 4. 1 2 3 arrows only it comes. Next 1 2 3 4. Next count 1 2 3 4. So last it ends with 20. So 5 4s are 20. Same way here 4 5s are 4 times line, and each you have to count 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? The arrow lines 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, and each we counted 5, 5. 4 5s are where it ends 20. Write down 20. This shows what? First we did know 4 5s are 5 4s are. Understand? Yes. Same way here. 6 3s are 6 numbers and 3 lines. Okay. 6 means first itself put the 6 number. Then you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where it ends? 18. 6 3s are 18. Here 3 6s are 3 times 6 we have to count. Okay. 3 3 we have to count for 6. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. How many arrow lines? 1 2 3 4 5 only we got, but here is 6. 1 2 3. It ends in where? 18. 3 6 are 18. This shows what? 3 6 are 6 3s are. I think you understand this sums, children. The next we are going to see the page number 123. Now children, more multiplication fun. Okay. Here 4 bags. How many bags? 4 bags. Okay. 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags. With 3 oranges each. Each has 3 oranges. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. 4 3s are. That means how many oranges are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. What is the answer? 12. Okay. Next you see 5 packets with 6 pen each. 5 packets. Now 5 packets. How many packets? 1 2 3 4 5. Each has 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now we are going to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 20 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. That means 5 take and write it here. 6 pens is equal to 5 6 are 30. Understand, children? Can you see this one? 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Next. 6 bunches with 2 rows each. Okay. Bunch. Each has 2 roses. 1 2 6 bunches. Each has 2 roses. 1 2 3 4. Okay, shall we count now? 6 bunches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 bunch. Each has 2 flowers. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Write down here 6 into 2 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 twos are 12. Okay. The next thing, I think you can do this one. Yes? No? Okay. I myself I do now and show you. Here see. 3 bags with 4 balls each. Write down same thing only here also. Here first 4 is given. Here given 3. 3 4s are. 4 3s are what we got? 12. 3 4s are the next fact 12. Here first given 5 packets with 6 pens. Here they given 6 packets with 5 pens. First 6 writing, then 5 writing. Same answer 30. Okay. Here given 6 bunches with 2 flowers. 6 twos are we wrote. Here 2 bunches with 6 flowers. 2 6 are 12. 6 twos are 12. 2 6 are 12. Once again 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12. 2 6 are 12. Understand children? This is multiplication facts. The next exercise and all I'll teach you in the Zoom class. Memorize the tables. Don't forget this multiplication tables is very important. Thank you children.